Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy content about online income, publishing, and building digital brands. Now think about this for a moment. Years ago, becoming a successful author usually meant convincing a traditional publisher to take a chance on your book. It required agents, contracts, and often years of waiting. But everything changed when Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, commonly known as KDP, opened the door for writers to publish their own books. Suddenly, authors didn't need permission anymore. They could publish their work, reach readers worldwide, and build their own brands directly through Amazon. Some writers took advantage of this opportunity and turned Kindle publishing into massive success stories. They didn't just write books. They built recognizable author brands that attract loyal readers again and again. In this video, we're going to look at some of the most successful Kindle authors and how they built powerful brands around their writing. Understanding their strategies can help anyone interested in publishing learn how to grow an audience and build long-term success. Amanda Hocking, the self-publishing breakthrough story. One of the most famous success stories in Kindle publishing is Amanda Hocking. Before becoming a best-selling author, she was working regular jobs and struggling financially. She loved writing but found it difficult to get noticed through traditional publishing. So she decided to self-publish her paranormal romance novels through Amazon. Her books quickly started gaining traction, especially among readers who enjoyed young adult fantasy and supernatural stories. Within a short time, she sold millions of copies of her Kindle books and became one of the earliest examples of how powerful self-publishing could be. What made her successful was not just the stories themselves, but the way she created a consistent identity for her books. By consistently writing in the same genre, readers knew exactly what to expect when they saw her name. This consistency helped turn Amanda Hocking into a recognizable brand among Kindle readers. Mark Dawson, building a publishing business. Another powerful example of Kindle branding is Mark Dawson. Mark Dawson started as a traditional author, but later discovered the potential of self-publishing through Amazon. Instead of treating his books as isolated projects, he approached writing like building a business. He focused on creating a series of thriller novels featuring strong recurring characters. His most famous series includes the John Milton books, which attracted a large following of readers who enjoy action-packed thrillers. What made Dawson particularly successful was his use of modern marketing strategies. He mastered advertising platforms and built a strong email list to stay connected with readers. By combining storytelling with smart marketing, he turned his writing career into a full publishing brand that generates consistent sales. Today, he is often recognized as one of the pioneers who showed independent authors how to scale their publishing efforts. Joanna Penn, the author-entrepreneur. Joanna Penn is another well-known figure in the self-publishing world. She didn't just become successful through writing fiction. She also built a brand around helping other writers learn about publishing. Joanna Penn writes thriller novels under the name J.F. Penn, while also producing non-fiction books about writing and publishing. But her influence goes beyond books. She created podcasts, blogs, and educational content that helps authors understand how to publish and market their work. Her strategy demonstrates an important lesson. An author brand can expand beyond books into education, media, and community building. By becoming both a creator and a teacher, Joanna Penn built a loyal audience of writers and readers who follow her work across multiple platforms. Hugh Howey, from self-publishing to global success. Another remarkable Kindle success story is Hugh Howey. He began publishing his science fiction stories independently on Amazon. One of his books, Wool, started gaining attention from readers who loved dystopian science fiction. As the book grew in popularity, it eventually became a massive success, leading to international recognition and publishing deals. But the most interesting part of Hugh Howey's story is how he maintained control over his digital rights. Even after gaining traditional publishing offers, he continued to prioritize his independence in the digital space. His approach showed that self-published authors could compete with major publishers while maintaining ownership of their work. Bella Andre, building a romance empire. The romance genre has always been extremely popular on Kindle, and Bella Andre is one of the authors who mastered it. She built her brand around emotional, character-driven romance stories that readers love returning to. One of her most successful series is The Sullivans, which became a massive hit among romance readers. Her strategy focused on writing interconnected stories where readers could follow multiple characters across different books. This encourages readers to continue purchasing each new installment in the series. By maintaining consistent themes of love, family, and relationships, Bella Andre created a brand that resonates strongly with romance audiences. The importance of author branding. Author branding is about more than just a logo or a website. It is the overall identity readers associate with a writer's work. This includes writing style, genres and themes, book covers, reader engagement, consistency in publishing. When these elements align, readers begin to recognize and trust the author's brand. This trust is incredibly valuable in the publishing world because it encourages repeat readership. Readers who enjoy one book are far more likely to buy the next one if they trust the author's storytelling. How new authors can apply these lessons. For anyone interested in Kindle publishing, these success stories provide valuable lessons. Start by choosing a clear niche or genre that you enjoy writing about. Then focus on creating stories that fit within that niche, so readers know what to expect from your books. Consistency is also important. Publishing regularly helps build momentum and keeps readers engaged. It's also helpful to think about the reader experience. Great covers, engaging descriptions, and professional formatting all contribute to building a strong author brand. Finally, remember that successful publishing careers usually take time. Many well-known Kindle authors spent years writing and improving their craft before reaching major success. Final thoughts. The rise of Kindle publishing has changed the world of writing forever. Authors no longer need to rely solely on traditional publishers to reach readers. By understanding branding, consistency, and audience engagement, writers can build their own platforms and connect directly with readers around the world. The authors we discussed today prove that success in publishing is not just about writing a good book. It's about building a recognizable brand that readers trust and enjoy returning to. For anyone willing to learn the craft and remain consistent, the opportunities in digital publishing are greater today than ever before. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about Kindle publishing, online business, and digital income opportunities, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.